cars, now TVs. What's next?
All you heard of first cars, now TVs. What's next? Like we wear many hats.
My blanket hostage.
Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, where we're going from rebuilding cars to rebuilding TVs. So a subscriber, Hasbro Sweets, TV without, and they decided I was the man to rebuild it. I'm sorry if the video will be kind of lacky or wacky because my tongue is swole because I recently bit it real hard and it hurts to talk. So y'all know the analytics: like, comment, share, subscribe. And we're gonna jump in to this TV repair. The TV is already tore down because I had to tear it down to figure out what was wrong with it, and I'll let y'all know what's wrong with it. So Hasbro Sweets can order the parts, and the parts have came in. So let's jump on into it. So there's the TV. Hasbro Sweets was complaining that he had no picture, but he had sound. So he brought me a TV without even asking me first. Him and his wife. And I have no specialty tools to even work on TVs, but since I fixed my TV like 3 years ago, my picture went out, but I had sound. Waking up one morning to get ready for work. But the difference was my backlights was on. His backlights did not come on when I plugged this TV in. So I had to MacGyver something using 3 9-volt batteries to give me 27 volts. And I'll demonstrate how that works right now to test your backlights if you don't have a backlight tester. So here's my makeshift, my positive, my ground. And all you gotta do is hook it up. Let me get that a little bit more twisted. Don't worry about the people in the background. I'm in the house, I'm not in my garage. And bam, if y'all can see that. And it's only gonna work on 2 strips or 1 strip. So I was able to test all his backlights using this tester, and I went right down the line because each of these LEDs and this is the problem one. Each of these LEDs are 3 volts. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 volt. Well, I mean 15 volts. And I'm using 27, which is overdue, but this is the problem one. And I came to this one. Only 1 light would light up. So if I go from this side, you came to light this one up and light this one up. Baby crying in the background, but I will show y'all the proper tool to use, which is, if you can see that, LED lamp and backlight tester. This is the proper tool. You can get this off of Amazon for the low price of $30, and it's the same concept, but we're using this one. You can test pretty much the whole backlight. So I can go from one end to the other end, and I have nothing. Because that's telling me that one of these is out. So if I test it over here, bam, all these lit up. Go here, nothing. Here, nothing. So that's how you find your point on these TVs. Because it's a break. If one strip go out, they all go out. And you already know the one that's not working on this TV. So if one strip go out, none of them lights up. As you can see, from one end to the other end, none of them will light up if a strip go out. And this, oh, strip, I bit my tongue. Wrong strip. And then this strip, that one don't work. That one don't work. That one don't work. But the last one works. So 4 bucks without on this one. So luckily he ordered some new ones from, I forgot from where. He got them off Amazon, I think shopjimmy.com. Nicely wrapped and prepared for us. And since he had to order all 11 of them, I guess I'll be installing all 11, even though all 11 are not bad, but I do not want to be doing this all over again. So for demonstration purposes, before I go in time lapse, here's the new strip. We're gonna test it. I'm gonna test all of them anyway. New strip works. Take out the old strip. Plug in the new strip. I don't know how old this TV is. Like I said, I'm gonna replace all his strips. So we know the new strip working. So I'm gonna test them across the board. And voila. His TV will be back I'm sorry, I bit my tongue. This TV will be back working again in no time. I just gotta change out all the strips since he bought all of them. And this one brand new, and these ones look kind of worn. They kind of like dark. Oh, bit my tongue again. They kind of like dark around the strips. I'm sorry, y'all. That's how I bit my tongue. The other day eating some of my nice ribs. So I can't do a lot of talking, or I keep biting my tongue because it's swollen. But I'm not going to time lapse, changing out all these strips. And it's just that simple. I remember, everybody, I bit my tongue, so it's hard for me to talk. I gotta talk very slowly. But that's how you test your backlights, replace your backlights. And if you haven't been following me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, go follow me. And if you haven't already caught on to my personality, I'm a guy that likes to take things apart and see how they go together. That's why everybody brings their cars or electronics to Easy Ease Rebuilds. Because if I can't fix it, they might as well just go buy a new one. And that's the bottom line. But I'm gonna test all these lights. Y'all see me test them before. Then I gotta start putting this TV back together. And if anybody have any questions, I am gonna be keeping all the other LEDs I just took out. But I do stuff the right way. He paid $50 on Amazon for 12 new LEDs strips. I'm gonna put 11 new LED strips, and I'm gonna put 11 new LED strips back in because I don't want him back over here talking about it went out again. And he can watch this video for himself and see that we put all 11 of the strips back in. All the ones he bought. And we'll keep all the used ones just in case. We're not gonna throw them away because they are worth money. Like I said, that's how you fix your backlights on any TV. It just don't have to be this TV. It can be any old TV. Now the question is putting it all back together after it's been apart for so long. That's the biggie. For me. After we had it apart for so long, pulling it back together. And I did make a mistake and break one of these clips. But it still go back in there. And I ain't gonna bore y'all with me putting all this back together. To get these out, you gotta take them out from the opposite side. You gotta push this pin in, or push this little nib in before you pull them out. That's why I messed up on that one. I did not know, I didn't even look. I bit my tongue again. I just tried to pull it on out. And broke that one. Because you can't just pull them on out like that. You have to put them back in. I'm pushing in on both sides and sliding it down to a click in place. And for me to stop talking so much, keep re-biting my tongue because it is severely swollen. I'm gonna put the TV back together in time lapse. Because I do have to work tomorrow because I work a full-time job. Deuces. I'm just gonna take a break from putting this TV together because you do not want to put it all together and find out something else is wrong. So I got it plugged up. Let's see if she comes on. Let's see if she comes back to life, y'all. And there we have it. Gotta clean my fingerprints off. Finish putting it together. But the TV works again. We make things happen over here at Easy Rebuilds. We make it do what it do. Cause like I said, if y'all don't watch my channel, start watching it now. Because I love taking things apart, seeing how it work, how to fix them. And people like bring me their stuff to fix. People like donate me TVs. I got a TV upstairs that needs a whole board. But like, is it worth changing the board? The board costs $127. The TV has picture, but the HDMI plugs don't work. So is it worth $130? Just so I can have the HDMI plugs, the RCA's work? Y'all let me know in the comment section below. TV says it has no signal, but I gotta still figure out how to put everything back together. I got a couple of pieces left. But like I said, I do work a full-time job. So let's jump right back into this. So that's a wrap, y'all. So if you don't have one of these LED lamp and backlight testers to test the backlights, if your TV is not lighting up, just go to your nearest Dollar General and get 3 9-volt batteries that makes 27 volts and some wire. One for positive, one for negative. And you can do it that way. You can MacGyver that shit, or you can buy the $30 one from Amazon. I gotta clean out my fingerprints and load this back up into my car. I'm gonna test this one more time. I need some light. Ooh, look at that. And don't make the mistake I made, y'all. Y'all seen me put those screws back in up here, but I forgot to put this trim piece on first. You gotta put this trim piece on, get this trim piece that goes around this TV, get screwed in to hold the screen in. And I didn't do that, I screwed in those brackets. And when I went to go put this on, I remembered that these must be screwed, this had to be screwed down too, or the screen will fall out. This trim piece is the only piece that holds this screen up there. The other pieces behind the screen are held in with that strip that I put on there. But there you have it. I'm a man of many talents. I wear many hats. From auto mechanic, auto body repair, plumbing, electrical, even flooring, contractor, carpenter. There's nothing too big or nothing too small that we can't do at Easy Rebuilds. So with all that, y'all know the analytics: like, comment, share, subscribe, because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we did on this TV. Share this video on your social media. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And we also have merch at teespring.com. And we take Cash App donations. And we also take donations of TVs now. And donation of cars. We just love wrenching taking things apart. So with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed. Peace.